Hello world, Genergy on the ground. Today we answer a question, and indeed in the previous video we already saw how the coil was measured, how to know if the coil was good or bad. We saw it both mounted on the equipment and dismounted. Okay, now let's see how we're going to mount that coil over the steering wheel. Always taking into account when we have dismantled where the cable was placed. This cable that is usually called the dead man's cable, that cable that makes the interruption so that the spark jumps in the spark plug. Well, that's what we notice. Where are the cables connected to connect it anyway? And let's go here now to learn how to position the coil on the steering wheel of the equipment. So without further ado, let's see how we assemble the coil. New about the engine. Well, let's go for it. How do I disassemble the coil? Let's imagine that it is this one. I have already disassembled it and now I want to reassemble it. But how do we place it once we have seen that it is wrong? How do I place it on the equipment? Look anywhere on the steering wheel. The coil goes here because here we have the witness, the good one. This is the magnet that's going to cause the energy jump. Okay, we see that it sticks there. But to mount the coil, we will do it at any point on the steering wheel using a gauge between 0.30 and 5 and 0.40. Okay, that would be the separation that we are going to leave between iron. If you don't have a gauge, you grab a piece of cardboard. For example, this piece of cardboard that I have here improvised, and you would be assembling it like this is also worth a business card. It's okay that we could place it in a way that it will serve us the same. There we screw it and we will have it perfectly in place once the coil is placed, because we will already have the new coil, we will already have it turned on, and everything will always work well. Check that the key and the steering wheel pin are placed in place so that the spark point, the ignition point, is at top neutral. When you have finished the cycle of understanding, and that's it. More information and energy, yes, if learning. You remember, forbidden to stop learning.